Good morning, everybody. This is Tom. We are filling up the boat. We didn't have much gas, and now we're getting after it. Up to 55 gallons already. And we have Jen here. Wave, Jen. There she is. And we got Egyptian geese. Check that out. They're hanging out on the dock, and of course they're pooping on the dock. But anyway, it's a pretty day on Lake Conroe. Give you a little shot of the sun and the beautiful weather. We've also got a blue heron over here. He's fishing. He or she's fishing. And we got some people milling around. There's a lady with a dog over there on the dock. So anyway, all's good on the lake. Spring is about over. It's about summertime. So we're having a good day. Up to 63 gallons. See ya. Hey everybody, this is Tom. We're back at the house, and we have a blue heron welcoming us back. Right there. Of course, I'm trying to steer and film. This is challenging. But anyway, that's kind of funny. They're gonna take off here in a second when they figure out we're coming in. Anyway, we had a nice boat ride. We went and got gas and all